Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Floor mats are essential element in creating a cozy and welcoming atmosphere in your living space. They not only protect your floors but add personality and warmth to a room. For a modern home, bold geometric prints and vibrant colors are popular choices, especially in living rooms and entryways. Layering different rug textures is another trend that adds depth and dimension to the natural space. Natural materials such as jute and sisal are gaining popularity for their eco-friendly qualities and rustic charm. For a more luxurious feel, opt for plush wool or sleek rugs that offer comfort and a sense of refinement in dining areas. Large neutral tones rugs can help anchor the space and complement elegant dining furniture. Rugs with abstract design are also gaining traction for their artistic flair and modern aesthetic. Consider the size of the room when selecting a rug, as oversized mats can help refine larger spaces, while smaller ones create cozy corners in bedrooms. Soft, shaggy rugs can transform the space into a serene sanctuary for pet owners. Durable and easy to clean, mats are essential choice, offering practical alongside style. Rug styles like Moroccan, Persian, and Scandinavian are timeless and versatile, adding character to any room, whether you're updating your living room or accessing a home office. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.